So today is Sunday, the 18th of November, and it's our first official Christmas festive activity. Guys, I said don't be awkward. We're going to a few of the different Christmas light, mainly light, but also decoration shops in Penrith, and it's gonna be really fun, and we're gonna have lots of party times. And I don't really feel festive yet, which is very weird for me. I think I've been saying to people, I think it's because I'm doing hammy this year, so which doesn't sound like it makes sense, but a lot of my day I'm busy now, which I'm not used to, so it means I don't have as much time to sit and like fester about Christmas, which is what I normally do. So I don't feel festive yet, but I need to get in the Christmas spirit, so I'm gonna force it upon myself, and this is a good start. Mum's here. Hello. It was a little bit awkward. Oh, sorry. And there's Annie. Yay! That was better. Mum.
Yes.
Guess what it's time for?
Singing?
Mum's tips for Ouchie Bits! Mum's tips for Ouchie Bits. Take it away, Mum.
I can't remember. Have I done sore throats?
No.
Okay. Well, the essence of fixing up a sore throat is to get onto it immediately. Even if you think to yourself, I'm not actually sure if this is sore or just a bit plaggy, just go for the immediate care of the throat, because that can lead to other issues. So, what I always make sure is keep those teeth clean and then gargle, either with warm salty water, or my very favourite is Savacol, which I find does the trick. Give it a gargle. If I think I might have a sore throat, I do that at least for a week, and then normally we're right. It doesn't go on to anything else, so look after your throats.
Yay! Yay! There you go, everyone, in case you were wondering and you want to get your medical advice from my mother. Oh, the jacaranda's around! Guys, look at my friggin' hat. So cute.
Please be able to get that one down.
So we're just going into the Christmas shop near the ice skating rink, and this is my favourite one because it's really fancy but in like a really horrendous way. I look forward to it every year. Oh my goodness, so festive. I love my Christmas emus.
Good morning, everyone. It is Christmas tree day and I'm very excited. I'm very tired, as you can probably tell by my eyes, but I'm ready to go.
It's Christmas tree day! Oh! Twist?
Hi.
Ton?
Hey.
Annie?
Hey!
Mum? Hey! It's almost 8 in the morning. We're running late, surprisingly, which sounds odd because it's 8 in the morning, but
It happens in 3 minutes.
It opens in 3 minutes. Oh yeah, we're doing okay.
Step on it, Joy.
The tree place that we go to in Luddenham has to shut down because the airport, which is poop, because they do really beautiful, wonderful Christmas trees. But this is their last year, so they don't have as many. Is that why they don't have as... Whoa, there's a queue, and they said if you want to get nice big ones, yeah, you have to get your really early to snag your trees. So here we are. We were supposed to leave at 7. We didn't. Oops. Lindsay life.
Is that still filming?
I think that's your first sneeze I've actually got in a vlog. Excuse my arm.
I hope they were well compensated.
That's a nice one for you.
Hard to tell how tall they are from the car. Oh look, rabbit!
What? Oh, Bunny! Bunny!
He's gonna run this way.
Oh, he's so cute!
Oh, there he is!
Ah. Christmas tree. So I've gone for the same festive tea as last year, which is unlike me. I wear the same thing for the same event. But this year, paired it with the dungaree and Connie's combo. Yeah. I feel very tree cutty downy. I think this is what people who cut down trees wear. Hey, Switz! Oh, my hair! Annie and Tunt have found their tree. Quick! Tree support on its way. Tree. Oh my eyes! It's a beautiful day. Cut it down! Cut it down! Cut it down! Yes! Yes! Cut it down! Cut it down! Cut it! Cut it! Cut it! Cut it down! Whoa! I missed the fall!
Is your last name Burr? Timber?
Okay. Take it to the trailer. Take it to the trailer.
Take it to...
I don't like this new song. Where is he? Was it him? Trees.
What's his name?
Cornelius.
What do you think about
Tonks.
Tonks. He's on swimming.
No, Tonks.
Oh.
His name is Tonks. Tonks. In Fedora.
That's cute.
It's a woman.
Cut it down. Cut it down. Cut it down. Cut it down.
Cut it.
Bring it down a bit.
Cut it down. Cut it down.
Yes.
Cut
yes.
it down.
Cut it down. Cut it down.
Chopping.
Cut it.
Cut it down. Cut it down.
Yay! Twist, stop being destructive.
Twist will never stop cutting.
Quick, let's go snag some big ones.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay, Twist, come on. Coming. Look, I'm a superhero.
Whoa.
Scythe girl.
Well, that too.
Yay! Let's head to the shed.
I like this one. These are the pre-cut ones, which are all like a really big, like amazing ones. So we're getting our main house tree from in here because they're better. He's huge. Yeah, it's Christmas tree day. No! Ah! That was fun.
Sorry?
Oh, you've undressed me. What have you done? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Ready to roll. Let's take these bitches home.
Thanks, guys, for all your hard work.
It's a pretty straightforward bum, but it's got complexities.
It's only 20 to 9. That's so weird.
Nailed it. 4 trees and we're off.
Goodness, I can still make it to work.
This is so secure.
Wondered if you'd like to stop in Glenbrook for a cuppa or a little bit of morning tea.
Spotto Ricky.
We did it.
We did.
I'm glad we came when we did though.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's true.
I'm also glad that even though our tree isn't as dense, we cut it down ourselves.
You did.
It is ours.
And you saved it from
Our
being
own.
bulldozed.
We cut it down, cut it down, cut it down.
And we took it to the car. Took it to the car. Took it to the car.
And then we left.
We left.
Then we left.
We left.
I shook his hand.
I shook his hand.
I did. I did shake his hand. So thank you for the trees over the years.
So thank you
That's
for
what
the
I went back for.
Thank you.
Thank you for the trees over the years. Can you please plant some fast growing ones?
Fast growing ones. Fast growing ones.
So we're going to Glenbrook.
Going to Glenbrook. I don't even know how this started.
Started. I love that we have so much fun together.
So much
together.
That was the best one because I thought you were done.
I can join in this joke because I only have to remember that one word.
Why did you just laugh, Annie?
Yeah, I was wondering that too.
Oh, I
Were you
said.
laughing too, Annie?
I love Christmas. I'm so happy.
I got a hash brown mounted at 2773.
Hash brown mountain.
Yeah.
Sounds
it
grander than it was.
In that, I believe there was 2, maybe 3 hash browns.
It's not a mountain.
It wasn't a mountain,
It's like
but
a small
there was
hill.
stuff piled on top of it, but still.
It's a slight incline.
Yeah, a gentle slope.
Imagine if they called it a
It
gentle,
wasn't the Everest.
a gentle hash brown slope.
Yeah.
I love Christmas.
And I love that we all love it.
So love sleep.
But do you love sleep more than Christmas?
No, you're right.
You're like,
I was thinking back to Annie, who this morning said that she wished she could sleep forever.
Tim made a very good point that we can't like talk or play if I'm sleeping. So.
Oh,
I thought you were going to say, Tim made a very good point that I can't sleep forever.
Well, that's it.
That is a good point. Look at all these sad people without their Christmas trees.
Oh, they must be hating
They
life.
must be miserable.
they'll be passing us going, damn,
Damn.
this morning.
They have, but they're heading in the right direction.
They are.
Has 4 matches.
They're gonna struggle to fit
They love
Christmas
sleep
tree.
more than Christmas.
This is their mattress day instead of Christmas tree day.
We've got our 4
Come on guys,
trees.
gotta get up
We've got
early!
our 4 mattresses.
Do a twist.
So you're gonna ring the bell.
I was looking at
Twiz and I can't get through a sentence if someone said doo-doo or what's the other one? Duty. Duty.
Duty's not so much for me.
Yes it is.
Yes, no.
We laugh at it all the time.
You laugh, and then I laugh because.